Question 1. Which statement correctly explains why ribosomes are not considered membrane-bound organelles? A. They lack proteins. B. They are present only in prokaryotes. C. They are not surrounded by a lipid bilayer. D. They do not participate in metabolism. The correct answer is C. They are not surrounded by a lipid bilayer. Question 2. The middle lamella of a plant cell wall is mainly composed of A. Cellulose. B. Hemicellulose. C. Pectin. D. Lignin. The correct answer is C. Pectin. Question 3. Which organelle is primarily responsible for detoxification of drugs and poisons in liver cells? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. C. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. D. Lysosome. The correct answer is B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Question 4. Cristae are present in mitochondria to increase the surface area for A. Glycolysis. B. Electron transport chain. C. Krebs cycle. D. Fermentation. The correct answer is B. Electron transport chain. Question 5. Which cell junction provides mechanical strength to tissues? A. Tight junction. B. Gap junction. C. Desmosome. D. Plasmodesmata. The correct answer is C. Desmosome. Question 6. Which biomolecule shows maximum structural diversity in living organisms? A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Lipids. D. Nucleic acids. The correct answer is B. Proteins. Question 7. The peptide bond is formed between A. Two amino groups. B. Two carboxyl groups. C. Amino and carboxyl group. D. Side chains of amino acids. The correct answer is C. Amino and carboxyl group. Question 8. Which level of protein structure is stabilized by hydrogen bonds between NH and CO groups? A. Primary. B. Secondary. C. Tertiary. D. Quaternary. The correct answer is B. Secondary. Question 9. DNA differs from RNA in having A. Uracil. B. Ribose sugar. C. Double helix structure. D. Phosphate group. The correct answer is C. Double helix structure. Question 10. Which enzyme is responsible for breaking hydrogen bonds during DNA replication? A. DNA polymerase. B. RNA polymerase. C. Ligase. D. Helicase. The correct answer is D. Helicase. Question 11. Which stage of cell cycle is the longest? A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. M phase. The correct answer is A. G1 phase. Question 12. Synapsis of homologous chromosomes occurs during A. Leptotene, B. Cygotene, C. Pachytene, D. Diplotene. The correct answer is B. Cygotene. Question 13. Crossing over takes place during which stage of meiosis? A. Leptotene, B. Cygotene, C. Pachytene, D. Diplotene. The correct answer is C. Pachytene. Question 14. Which structure is formed as a result of crossing over? A. Chromatid, B. Bivalent, C. Chiasma, D. Centromere. The correct answer is C. Chiasma. Question 15. Which tissue in plants is responsible for secondary growth? A. Apical meristem, B. Intercalary meristem, C. Lateral meristem, D. Permanent tissue. The correct answer is C. Lateral meristem. Question 16. The main function of collenchyma is A. Storage, B. Photosynthesis, C. Mechanical support, D. Conduction. The correct answer is C. Mechanical support. Question 17. Which plant tissue is dead at maturity? A. Parenchyma, B. Collenchyma, C. Sclerenchyma, D. Phloem. The correct answer is C. Sclerenchyma. Question 18. Which component of phloem is responsible for translocation of food? A. Companion cells, B. Sieve tubes, C. Phloem fibers, D. Phloem parenchyma. The correct answer is B. Sieve tubes. Question 20. Which mineral nutrient is a constituent of chlorophyll? A. Iron, B. Magnesium, C. Nitrogen, D. Calcium. The correct answer is B. Magnesium. Question 21. Which deficiency causes chlorosis in plants? A. Potassium, B. Nitrogen, C. Iron, D. Calcium. The correct answer is C. Iron. Question 22. The opening and closing of stomata is regulated by A. Epidermal cells, B. Subsidiary cells, C. Guard cells, D. Mesophyll cells. The correct answer is C. Guard cells. Question 23. Which enzyme fixes CO2 in C3 plants? A. PEP carboxylase, B. Rubisco, C. Carbonic anhydrase, D. ATP synthase. The correct answer is B. Rubisco. Question 24. Photorespiration occurs in A. Chloroplast only, B. Mitochondria only, C. Peroxisome only, D. Chloroplast, mitochondria and peroxisome. The correct answer is D. Chloroplast, mitochondria and peroxisome. Question 25. Which wavelength of light is most effective for photosynthesis? A. Green. B. Yellow. C. Blue. D. Infrared. The correct answer is C. Blue. Question 26. Glycolysis occurs in the A. Mitochondria. B. Chloroplast. C. Cytoplasm. D. Nucleus. The correct answer is C. Cytoplasm. Question 27. How many ATP molecules are produced directly in glycolysis? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. The correct answer is A. 2. Question 28. The respiratory quotient, RQ, for fats is A. 1. B. less than 1. C. more than 1. D. 0. The correct answer is B. less than 1. Question 29. Which hormone promotes stem elongation in plants? A. Auxin. B. Cytokinin. C. Gibberellin. D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is C. Gibberellin. Question 30. Which plant hormone is responsible for dormancy? A. Auxin. B. Ethylene. C. Gibberellin. D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is D. Abscisic acid. Question 31. Binary fission in amoeba is an example of A. Sexual reproduction. B. Asexual reproduction. C. Vegetative reproduction. D. Parthenogenesis. The correct answer is B. Asexual reproduction. Question 32. Which structure develops into a seed after fertilization? A. Ovary. B. Ovule. C. Endosperm. D. Zygote. The correct answer is B. Ovule. Question 33. Double fertilization is unique to A. Bryophytes. B. Pteridophytes. C. Gymnosperms. D. Angiosperms. The correct answer is D. Angiosperms. Question 34. Which tissue forms the bark of a woody plant? A. Secondary xylem. B. Secondary phloem. C. Cork cambium products. D. Primary phloem. The correct answer is C. Cork cambium products. Question 35. Which animal tissue conducts electrical impulses? A. Muscular. B. Connective. C. Epithelial. D. Nervous. The correct answer is D. Nervous. Question 36. Which type of muscle is involuntary and non-striated? A. Skeletal. B. Cardiac. C. Smooth. D. Striated. The correct answer is C. Smooth. Question 37. The functional unit of kidney is A. Neuron, B. Nephron, C. Alveolus, D. Glomerulus. The correct answer is B. Nephron. Question 38. Which nitrogenous waste is excreted by birds? A. Ammonia, B. Urea, C. Uric acid, D. Creatinine. The correct answer is C. Uric acid. Question 39. Which blood cells are responsible for immunity? A. RBC, B. Platelets, C. WBC, D. Plasma. The correct answer is C. WBC. Question 40. Which component of blood helps in clotting? A. Plasma, B. RBC, C. WBC, D. Platelets. The correct answer is D. Platelets. Question 41. The normal pH of human blood is approximately A. 6.8, B. 7.0, C. 7.4, D. 7.8. The correct answer is C. 7.4. Question 42. Which respiratory pigment is present in human blood? A. Hemocyanin, B. Hemoglobin, C. Chlorophyll, D. Myoglobin. The correct answer is B. Hemoglobin. Question 43. The opening of eustachian tube connects the middle ear with A. External ear, B. Inner ear, C. Pharynx, D. Cochlea. The correct answer is C. Pharynx. Question 44. Which part of brain controls body temperature? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Hypothalamus. The correct answer is D. Hypothalamus. Question 45. The hormone insulin is secreted by A. Alpha cells of pancreas, B. Beta cells of pancreas, C. Adrenal cortex, D. Thyroid gland. The correct answer is B. Beta cells of pancreas. Question 46. Which hormone regulates basal metabolic rate? A. Insulin, B. Adrenaline, C. Thyroxine, D. Glucagon. The correct answer is C. Thyroxine. Question 47. Which ecological pyramid is always upright? A. Pyramid of biomass, B. Pyramid of numbers, C. Pyramid of energy, D. All of these. The correct answer is C. Pyramid of energy. Question 48. The movement of chemicals towards roots is called A. Phototropism, B. Hydrotropism, C. Chemotropism, D. Geotropism. The correct answer is C. Chemotropism. Question 49. Which interaction benefits one species and is harmful to the other? A. Mutualism. B. Commensalism. C. Parasitism. D. Protocooperation. The correct answer is C. Parasitism. Question 50. Which biome has the highest primary productivity? A. Desert. B. Grassland. C. Tropical rainforest. D. A tundra. The correct answer is C. Tropical rainforest. Question 51. The term ecosystem was coined by A. Darwin. B. Odum. C. Tansley. D. Haeckel. The correct answer is C. Tansley. Question 52. Which cycle does not involve atmospheric phase? A. Carbon cycle. B. Nitrogen cycle. C. Phosphorus cycle. D. Oxygen cycle. The correct answer is C. Phosphorus cycle. Question 53. The major driving force of water movement in plants is A. Root pressure. B. Diffusion. C. Transpiration pull. D. Osmosis. The correct answer is C. Transpiration pull.